Hi, welcome guys. Welcome to Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing Sanskrit Sahityam. And before starting this, I want to share something. Encyclo Hub is providing all type of answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, contact us today on our WhatsApp number, which is 90093682238. And here are some questions which are given here. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. There are total 6 questions in this paper, and each and every question has a one option. And that you can see the questions are given in the Sanskrit language and the English language also. So you need to write 1, 2, and 3 in the 40 to 60 words, and 4 and 5 which you need to write in 100 to 150 words, and question number 6 which you need to write in 500 words. Every question has written a chapter name and which belongs to, so you need not to worry about anything. So if you need this assignments of all the subjects, not for only this, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is given on the screen. And if you need any other help, we are here for help you. You can contact anytime. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.